Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling Safari's built-in translator so pages can be converted quickly. Open Safari settings and confirm you're on iOS 14 or Mac OS Big Sur or newer. The feature depends on system support. Once done, add the languages you want in Settings Safari Languages, because Safari downloads language packs for offline use. Now load a foreign page and look for the translate icon in the address bar. Tap it to begin the first translation, and keep reading to refine the result. Now you refine how translations behave so results are accurate and fast. In Safari language settings, arrange your preferred languages and add secondary options. This helps Safari detect intent and keeps translations consistent. Once done, enable automatic translation for languages you read often, which skips manual taps. When a page is detected, try the contextual translate menu to pick a target language or toggle between originals. This gives you control over tone and preserves specific terms during technical or legal reads. Finish by polishing translated text and handling errors so you stay productive. If the page is noisy, switch to Reader View, then Translate. This improves clarity and accuracy. Make sure any content blockers or extensions aren't interfering. If Translate doesn't appear, clear Safari cache or disable extensions and reload the page. If a translation still looks wrong, copy the text into another translator or report the issue to Apple so the language model improves. Keep experimenting with language order to get consistent results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.